Man, I just paid $15 to park. This is ridiculous. This is absolute. Huh? Yeah, I'm lost. McDonald's. It's right here somewhere. That's absolutely ridiculous. It's alright though. Write it off on business expense, baby.
I know that you want me to stay with you, but no. So I'll keep on making excuses about the sun, the earth, the rays, our days are numbered, wide, and I'm tired of it. I know you're trying, but you'll never unravel me. It's something about the season that we're in. That's making me think that we're not supposed to do this. I know that you're trying to understand, but you can't. Cause I keep on making excuses about the fall, the rise, and how my mind is ruptured wide, and I'm tired.
Spreads Cage checking in. We just got off the Riverwalk tour. It was awesome, very beautiful. Learned a lot about San Antonio. Hey y'all, I gotta admit, so I eat a lot of food, right? But when it comes to Mexican, I am super basic. Like I eat shrimp and steak quesadillas every time. I don't know what to order, but I want to try something. Bruh, I don't know what to order. I'm looking at like enchiladas, platos principales, barquillo grill, enchiladas. I don't know what to get, man. Pray for
The
this.
sauce I'm talking about.
He can pick up the chips.
Zesty.
It's not so
This sauce is
spicy,
good.
but it's like
It's good.
I'll try the first.
This is some good salsa.
It's
It's like, I don't know what to say. It's like zesty or something. That's the only word I know to say. Yeah, Jennifer got my margarita. Yeah.
Are we ready to order? Need a few more minutes.
Jennifer, I'm from Alabama. I've never been here.
Oh, it's your first time to San Antonio?
First time, baby. And this salsa is amazing. This is some good salsa. She called me senor. I'm going to have, oh Lord, I lost it. I want the combination dinner. That comes with everything. So I get an enchilada, right? I guess chicken. Can I do a steak one? Let's just do chicken. A soft taco. I want beef. Chalupa. Can I put steak in that?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, let's do that.
Do you want the beef?
Ooh, this is a good margarita. Oh my God.
I'll go ahead and send it as soon as that's ready.
I'm not going back to Alabama.
I do your menu set.
Yeah, you can have my meat, whatever you want. Okay, y'all. I don't know what they do at this restaurant, but this queso is the most. Jesus, it's like it's regular cheese, but it's like regular cheese amplified. There we go, baby. Yeah, I'm in love with my waitress. I think I love her.
What stops you?
Jennifer, what stops me? I don't know if I'm not spectacle. I'm just playing. Ain't nothing stop me. I'm gonna shoot my shot. All right, what's your head say on there?
Alright, it says, I hate this family.
I hate the what?
Family.
Family. This man, what yours say?
Can't wait to grow up and become a Hooters girl.
The Hooters girl. I like Hooters and the girls. What's yours say?
I saw more female than
Then Moby Dick. Okay,
Yeah.
that's how I see it. Oh, that's a lot. I get it. I get it. I get it. I'll say.
I can't wait to dance my way through community college.
Lotion and tissue. That's hey, me too, man. Every Tuesday. You see that? Lotion and hands and tissue. But look, you gotta use like after box tissue, use like a roll of toilet tissue. That was a lot better. It's a whole lot thicker.
His is
Built like a
diesel, hung like a Prius.
Hung like a Prius? My bad. Keep it clear. Mom said I could be anything in the girl, so I became disappointed.
Yeah.
I feel you, because I'm a middle child. I'm a middle child. That's what we
Yeah,
do,
he's a
man.
middle child. Yeah.
We disappoint parents. That's what we do. Alright, that's what I need you to do, man. I need you to play dead, like play injured. And I need you to holler. I need you to holler like you have never hollered before. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you CPR. And when my waitress comes, Jennifer, she gonna see how kind and sweet I am and how much I care for animals. And it's gonna be like a love story from there. You got it? You remember your role, right? Ducky, get back over here. Come on, we gotta talk about this. Do you have your role down pat before I feed you? Alright? Remember, you got a broken wing, and I'm gonna save you. And she's gonna come running. So just do your job, okay? Okay? You gonna do your job? Yeah? Alright, my boy. I'm talking about my man. I can't remember if I told y'all this or not, but it's official. I'm moving to San Antonio. Yep, I am. And I'm gonna get me a Latina waitress. And I'm gonna make up. We gonna do it. That's just what I'm gonna do. So somebody tell my mama, cause I'm about to go find some jobs like real quick. So won't be coming back to Mobile. Sorry guys.